What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over our friend MATIC. Currently sitting at 53.7.537, down about 2.3 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 4.24 billion. 24-hour volume is increased all the way up to 815 million. So let's pop into MATIC. So here we are on the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see here, we didn't quite come down to the 0.5, but just something to watch here. We have a bit of a descending channel or a falling wedge. So if we can break this resistance here at about 0.546, then we can see a nice push all the way up to about 62 cents and see that wave 5 that could take us up to that 73 to 75 cent price target. As you can see here, we're creating lower lows while creating higher lows in the RSI, which can be an early sign that the bears are running out of strength. Now, of course, we can still come down to the 0.5 easily at 0.495. Definitely something to keep an eye on here. But as of right now, we're still going through that wave 4 pullback. We also have a bullish divergence on the money flow. As you can see here, we're creating lower lows, and we've created a higher low on the 1 hour money flow. So we'll look at the 4 hour time frame. I've been watching the EMAs here. Here's the 20 EMA in yellow and the 55 in blue. We got back above them. We had the bullish cross, and now right now we're seeing if we can hold them as support. So if we can break out here, we also have this bull flag, and we can get back above the EMAs. We break out of this bull flag. That's when you're going to see that nice push up to that 73 cent price target that lines up with these levels of resistance. However, if we start to come down, we lose the golden ratio and we back test the EMAs. That's when you can see that continuation to the downside. But as of right now, we're still looking healthy for our wave 4 correction. Still looking for that final wave 5 up to about 73 to 75 cents. But of course, it all relies on Bitcoin breaking out. If BTC were to fail to break out and come all the way down to 17K, it would invalidate that structure for MATIC. But as of right now, we've had a healthy pullback for BTC. Not too much to worry about. You can check out my BTC video. We'll get more into that. So we'll look at MATIC here on the weekly time frame. We've come all the way down to oversold on the weekly chart, and that is usually when you're going to see a bounce, and that is exactly what we've seen here. A bullish engulfing candle here on the weekly. So we'll see if we can see that continuation to the upside. As we've been talking here on the daily, we could potentially put in a large inverse head and shoulders. Let me just remove my squiggly here. I'll remove this one as well. We've been watching this bull flag pattern. We're just starting to get back above the 20 EMA here on the daily. As you can see, we failed to get back above it ever since about January of 2022. We did have brief moments where we broke above it, but then we fell back below it. Of course, that can happen once again, but we have been potentially looking at an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head. And potentially, if we start to curl up here, we could create that right shoulder, which could lead to a large breakout. But of course, everything depends on BTC. But in the short term, we're just back above the 0.382 with a bullish divergence. So if we can break out of this falling wedge pattern, that's when we could see the continuation of the wave 5 up to that 73 to 75 cent price target. I wouldn't be too worried about MATIC until it comes down and breaks the golden ratio. And then there'd be a higher likelihood you're going to come back down to where you started once again, at about 39 cents, but we're still looking for that wave 5 with our Elliott wave theory. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. That's where I do all my trading. I have a full length tutorial that you can check out. And of course, a big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members now posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. Recently made some juicy profits with our spot trades, and the members are making some juicy profits as well here. As you can see, he just said, thanks for the trade, Jack's going well, 17% up on his MATIC position. So that's it for this one. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, as I just mentioned, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.